Hey there, I just interviewed Tim and Fuzz of Car SOS about their amazing new forthcoming landmark series 10 of Car SOS, which kicks off this month on the National Geographic channel. But I just had to ask them about their time at the British Motor Show back in August last year. I last met you guys at the Motor Show, the British Motor Show in August last year.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
how did you find that?
Loved it.
That was a great show, and it kind of, for me, it kind of harked back to the motor shows of old, when that you used to have, where you would have classic sections within a sort of motor shows, sort of also displaying new cars, and I really enjoy that. You can have so many more cars, and I got to see new stuff that
you did get to see anything. We were absolutely rammed out. We didn't even make it out of our hole.
There's new stuff there that you wouldn't otherwise trip over. So I just thought it was great for balancing it all out. So you had cars for everyone. From the old doggerers like Tim through to the young guys like me,
like you.
What I found was absolutely wonderful, and I did a little video with you at the time, was that you weren't just celebrities on a stage, but you were there with the people, mingling with everybody. You were greeting people every morning at the doors to the motor show. It was absolutely awesome to see. Car SOS, the car show with a heart, but I would say the presenters with a heart as well, because I think you certainly spread the love over those 3-4 days. That was absolutely fantastic to see. That was absolutely wonderful.
I'll tell you what, our shins are still recovering because everybody came in and gave us a kick.
Yeah. But you know what the thing is, though, Shaz? It's like one of those where Fuzz and I don't see ourselves as celebrities. In fact, that's the kind of word that I think we both slightly wince at. We have the best. We have the best job on. Well, no, but exactly, we have the best job on the planet. We love doing what we're doing, and the one thing's for sure is if it's petrol heads, if it's people that like the show and like cars, we're going to get on with them. So we see all these people as being our friends, and we want to meet our friends. So that's kind of, I think, our approach to it, really.
Yeah, the thing is, we're at car shows and and at events that we would like to go to anyway.
And the great news is that they'll be back at the British Motor Show this year at Farnborough International Exhibition Centre, 18th to 21st of August. I can't wait to see them there again. Meanwhile, check out this exciting preview of the new series.
Tim and Fuzz are back.
Classic cars are magic!
And they've pulled out all the stops.
Look at that!
For the brand new 10th season of Car SOS with an absolutely stellar lineup.
It's an absolute animal.
With special guests David Beckham and Sir Paul McCartney.
Well, you like it?
I love it.
Don't be so soppy. Come on, let's get on with it.
That's definitely a reason to celebrate. And it looks like it's going off with a whiz. A pop. And a splat.
Tim!
Can Tim and Fuzz spruce up these motors?
Every single component I'm looking at here is shot.
Yeah, it's horrible.
And make another automotive dream come true.
No way! I can actually see you shaking.
Oh, this is unreal.
Celebrate the brand new 10th season of Car SOS. Coming soon to National Geographic.